Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically remove devices from your Netflix account. So select manage profiles here. Then you're going to go to the devices section under security and about profiles. Select access and devices, and to remove it, just select sign out. If you want to remove like a device, select the mobile download, select that, and then select remove device. But that is it for this video. That is how you can remove devices or like accounts, devices that you've logged on your Netflix into. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!